Hey everyone, so today I want to make a video on how to upgrade your HP Elite 8200 power supply unit. That way you can put a new graphics card. So to upgrade, you're going to need one that harnesses the 24 pin to 6 pin, and this upgrade is going to be a clean upgrade. Normally when you just plug it in and play, you'll have a fan error. You have to figure out what pin sequence you're going to need for yours. Also for the 8200, the one that I'm using, the standard pin sequence that comes with the adapter is green, yellow, red, black. But for the 8200, it's I'm not sure if you can see that. It's the first two are blank from left to right, and then the middle two is yellow and green, and then the right two are going to be for your fan. And if you can, try and salvage the fan that comes out of the standard power supply unit that comes with this guy. You're going to be using that to plug into these two. That way you don't get that 515 error message. Cool. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you get the 515 error message. Alright, so there's your error. You can just press F1 to bypass and it'll just boot like normal, but I got tired of that, so I'm going to show you how to do the fix around for the fan. Turn it off, plug, make sure you got no more power inside the computer. Alright. And just like I said, I was able to salvage the fan from the original power supply unit. I just took it off. And now we're gonna take the yellow and black cable from there and plug it into those pins that I said earlier. The ones all the way to your right on the adapter. So pins loose, yellow and black. Let's see. Right. And then the red and black cables from the power adapter, they're just your commons. Just, you don't really need them. I'm actually just going to take them off. And they're not going to be connected to anything. I'm going to remove them later. But for now, let's plug in the fan. Alright, there goes the fan. And I forgot to mention, inside the HP, there's a brown power fan. That's where you're going to be plugging in your extra fan, basically. Let's plug these guys in. And power on. let's go. Oh, wait. There we go. Oh. It's like the pins got loose. That should be good now. There you go. No error. Awesome.